Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing sources and the Roku app. Reason: the player only reads accessible media. First, make sure your Roku and computer or phone are on the same Wi-Fi network and update the Roku if prompted. Next, add the Roku Media Player channel or verify DLNA sharing on your PC or NAS. Insert a FAT32/X FAT USB drive or point your server to the media folder. Once done, open Media Player so the device can scan and index your files. Now you browse and pick what to play. This step controls quality and compatibility. Choose your source. USB appears under Channels, while a DLNA server shows by device name. Navigate folders with the remote, preview thumbnails, and select files. Pick MP4 or MKV for best video support, MP3 for audio. Make sure to choose the correct audio track and enable subtitles if needed. If playback stutters, lower resolution files or switch audio codecs. These changes help avoid buffering and sync issues. Finally, play and fine-tune playback to finish the job. Press play. Use fast forward, rewind, and chapter skip to move precisely, and toggle subtitles or audio tracks from the options menu. To keep files intact, stop playback and return to the home screen before unplugging a USB drive and close shares on your server. If a file won't show or play, restart the Roku, verify the DLNA server is running, and confirm the file codec is supported. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.